Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Tuksa, and today I will be demoing the prototype build for the low-cost airline group in accordance with the assessment tree. So to dive right into it, this is the code base. I used TypeScript and NestJS for the implementation. Um, we defined the seats interface, which contains the row, the column, and the seat availability, and a seating plan as a 2D array of seats. Now, if we should go back to look at how the aircraft are usually structured, we have three different seating plans: first class, economy, and business class. And 2D array meaning the rows and columns. So the seating plan contains um, the booking method. Um, so for to book a seat now, the users provide number of seats they are willing to book, which cannot be more than six, and then optionally the seats that they want to book. It's optional, that's why the question mark is here in accordance to the TypeScript syntax. So the first thing we check is if user provided seats. If the user did, we check if the seats are available. We have a method that checks for availability. So this method just takes in the seat and then returns is available for that particular seat. So we check if the seats are available, and if seats is available, we book the seats and return the booked seats. If not, we return no, so we are not able to book the seats that the user wants. And in a case whereby the user does not provide the seats they want to book, um, we first check if the number of seats user provided are available. So we traverse through the seating plan and check if the number of seats here that the user provided is available. If it's not, we're not able to book seats. Else, we check if we can book seats in rows so that users can sit together to avoid just randomly selecting seats for them and creating the single scattered seats problem. So we book seats based on rows for the users, and if we cannot find seats in rows, then we return null. So it's not possible to sit all of them together for that particular number of seats. And if it's possible to book the seats, then this is where we book, we add it to the booked seats, and at the end of the day, we return the booked seat. So that's the implementation of the books of the booking method. And if we look at the assignment, we can see that we have two aircraft. This is aircraft one, and this is aircraft two. They both have different seating plans, but at the end of the day, they are both aircraft. And so we create an aircraft class that will be inherited by two other flights. So in this aircraft class, we have the first class seating plan, business class, economy class, and we have the methods to book for first class, book for business class, and book for economy class. And then we have the first flight that inherits properties of aircraft, and second flight that inherits from aircraft also. The only difference, as you can see, will be their seating plan. So for aircraft one, we have three rows, four columns in the first class, three rows, four columns. And for the second flight, we have one, two, three, four rows and four columns. And as you can see, four rows, four columns. This this third argument here is to show the position from which the business class seating plan would start from. If you can see in the constructor of the seating plan, we have the starting row. to show our booking process in action, we are going to start the project and then run it and test. If we put 6 we see that previously the 15A to 15F were available, but after booking 6, they have been fully booked. And if we say we're booking 5, we see that the whole of 16 is being booked. We have um, only 16F available. And if we try to book um, 3 6 now, it's books from 17 and also picks one other seat for us. If we try to book 3 again, we see we're getting 17C, 17D, 17E. Yeah, it's, if we try to book more than 6 it doesn't work. But we can book 1 and as you can see, we're getting from the top row, which is 9. So, and we can also change the class we want to book our seats in. So you can book from first class, and you can see you get just 1 seat because it's 1 on 1. And now to demo our mobile application. We built the mobile app using Flutter, and we are able to see a list of available bookings. We select the number of seats required to log in because only registered users can book a seat. So now I can purchase a ticket, and you can see it's being booked on the business class. Booked on business class. Booked on business class, and I reduced to 2. We'll see that 6E and 6F will get taken. Okay, yeah. And then 7A, 7B, 7D. Yeah. So this is the implementation for the flight on the mobile application. And so thank you so much for your time and have a great day.